SuperOkay allows you to create pricing tables and price breakdown blocks to better illustrate to your clients what they're paying for exactly. Pricing tables are blocks inside the SuperOkay document builder that allow you to insert various items by name, quantity, and choose the cost per unit. Let's create one. We'll start by making a new document from a template. Let's use Website Redesign Proposal. This is one of the various templates created by the SuperOkay team for you to use. Everything can be changed and new blocks can be added anywhere. Let's scroll down to the budget section. Now let's insert a pricing table block. Now I'll insert a couple items and a price for each one. The pricing table instantly calculates the total amount of all the items on the table. But what if we need multiple tables? No problem, we'll add another one below. We now have two distinct tables with different items and pricings. If we want to calculate the total of all the items in all our tables in the same document, we can add a price breakdown block, which conveniently is already in this template. But for the sake of the video, let's delete this one and add it again. The price breakdown block is exactly what the name implies, a block that breaks down all the items in a document and adds all the costs together so the client can see the final amount. The total is divided between approved and remaining sections. To get your total to the approved section, you must first send your document to your client for their approval by using an approval button. These are the essential ways in which you can use the pricing table and price breakdown blocks. But there's more advanced possibilities with SuperOkay. Let's look at some. If you click the Home section on the left-hand menu, you can see that the project card shows the project's total cost. This will update as you add or remove documents with pricing tables inside them and will always reflect the total cost of the project. Now let's try to embed a SuperOkay document inside of another SuperOkay document. Let's create a new document, hit the plus button and choose Content Library. From here, go to your shared folder and pick the document we created earlier. Now our first document is embedded into the second one, and as you can see, it includes a drop-down menu that shows all the items inside. Let's add a new pricing table with new items on it. Now let's add a price breakdown at the end. The price breakdown will add the cost of our new pricing table with the cost of the tables inside the embedded doc, but the total cost of the project will only be affected by the costs of the new pricing table. Embedding a document inside another document will not increase the total cost of the project. It will only affect the price breakdown of that specific document. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments or send us a message through Intercom.